welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 8th of April 2024. On the 18th of March, we went short the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and ever since we've been underwater and getting very close to our stop loss level at 152 yen. And once again, we're heading up towards that. And you can see here that we are targeting the November peak at 151.91, above which we placed our stop loss level at 152. So that is still in place. And then what we did last week, I wanted to go short the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And that was a great trade, except that I was hoping for a bounce back. We did get a bounce back, but not to our entry level, which was slightly higher. So if you did go short that one, you could have made a very nice profit very rapidly. We hit our downside target here, this support area. But for me, I didn't hit my entry level, so we didn't go short on that one on a hypothetical basis. But this brings me to this week's Trade of the Week. And what I am looking at is the DAX 40 contract, the German stock index. And to me, it looks as if the decline we've seen from the record high at the beginning of April is simply an ABC Elliott Wave correction. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see here from the high, we had a wave A down, wave B up, and then wave C down. So that's called an ABC zigzag correction. And that would indicate that we probably have seen the correction and could head higher and make new record highs, which is why I would like to go long just above Friday's high, which was at 18,224 or so, and basically do so with a stop loss below Friday's low in the hope that we're going to make new record highs. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go long the DAX 40 contract or the index with a stop loss below Friday's low and an upside target around the 18,500 mark.